Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. So in this video we'll be discussing about the best countries that you could do your agricultural masters in 2026. And this selection is basically made on the university ranking and the funding that is done by the government for research and stuffs, and then followed by the opportunities, career prospects after learning these courses. At number 5 is Canada. So the sole reasons are Canada is really known for its, agricultural universities like the Quebec, which is also called as the Wageningen of the North. And in 2016, Canada is planning to invest billions in climate smart agriculture. So there would be a lot of job prospects for students graduating in this particular area. And obviously you'll earn after a 2 years master's degree. You're eligible for a 3-year post work visa, and eventually that could lead you to get a permanent residency and later on citizenship if you wanted to be there for a longer time. At number 4, we head down to Australia. If you are interested in agribusiness or livestock management, Australia is unbeatable. The universities like the University of Queensland and Melbourne are top ranked universities among the graduates who wanted to do masters in agricultural engineering. In the edge of 2026, Australia is a global leader in dryland farming and drought resilient technology. As climate changes is intensifying, these skills are in highly demand globally. The Australian 485 visa allows you to work for 2 to 4 years after your graduation. Another thing is that the salaries of agricultural consultants in Australia are among the highest in the world. At number 3 is Sweden. The Swedish University of Agricultural Sciences is consistently ranked among the top 3 best universities for agriculture in the world, like consecutively. And then in the edge of 2026, Sweden is the capital of circular bioeconomy, agroecology. Everything here is about zero waste and forest to table. International students get up to 1 year of post-study visa to find jobs and get settled or to gain experience from Swedish companies. At number 2 is the United States of America. If you want the biggest research budgets on the planet, then the US it is. Top universities like the University of Cornell in the United States receives high or huge funding for researchers in agriculture, which is really useful for someone whose intention is to do research in this particular field. And this is where AI and robotics meets the soil. You'll be working with autonomous tractors and satellite guided crop management tools. And finally, at number 1 is the Netherlands. Netherlands is the global standard for agricultural engineering. The Wageningen University is really known for its top research, and it held the number 1 spot globally for years. In 2026, the Dutch has perfected growing more with less. So the WR is the Wageningen University basically is the center of Food Valley, a cluster of 1,500 plus companies. You aren't just studying, you're networking with the future of agricultural engineering. The Netherlands provides a 1-year post-study visa where you could find the jobs because there is n number of companies, because it is one of the largest exporter of agricultural technology and products. So there is a lot of companies in the Netherlands for graduates to find job, do internship, or maybe even connect with the people for gaining experience and so on. So that's all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any further doubts about doing your masters or your abroad education or anything, you can connect to us. There is a link down below in the description. So it's been a while, we didn't do some videos and all because we were really busy with work and stuff. So we'll try to bounce back with high quality videos, or maybe better quality videos obviously. But then thanks for watching, and I hope you will subscribe and join our family. So that's all, and I wish you a happy day.